to buy. Month, week, day, hour, then you can buy. Say it with me. Month, week, day, hour. Let me come to the money side. Month, week, day, hour. Buy. Month, week, hour, day. Buy. Come on, I need y'all to step it up. What we gonna do? Okay? Some of you keep asking me, how do I know if a stock is gonna be a surefire hit? On the institutional side, whatever BlackRock and Vanguard says, not the BlackRock, is law. The companies they invest in are law, right? But you have to make sure that they're number 1 or 2 in their industry. But if you want to know which companies are going to be amazing in the future, go to AngelList and Y Combinator. They will tell you the companies of the future that are going to dominate. So when Sam created OpenAI, Y Combinator was his baby where he incubated talent. So when you're seeing the companies that are going to develop that run our lives the next 5 or 6 years, if AngelList is big on them and then BlackRock and Vanguard then supports them, it's an immediate home run. If BlackRock and Vanguard does not own the asset, I don't want you to touch it. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, all owned by who? BlackRock and Vanguard. Make sense or no? Thank you. And also State Street. Screenshot this, please. So if all of these brands are not in love with the company, like Rivian, no slight to them, but all of these 5 companies that run the market did not love them, they did not do incredibly well. Now the VIX is really important. Recently the VIX went up to 65. Everybody was terrified, right? These are the levels that you need to write on your chart and be aware of. If we go to 65, which we just hit, or 82, if we get to 155, it's gonna be hell on earth, so I hope we don't go there. But these 2 levels, here's what I want you to do. If you hear the market is going through extreme compression or contraction, and the VIX gets to 65, I want you to buy the top 5 stocks in the market and don't do anything else but hold. Did any of you get in when I called on Market Mondays, the market was going to turn around in about 14, 15 days? When it hits these historic levels, the VIX is showing you how bad the market is at that time, but the VIX never stays down for more than 90 days. So when I saw it went to 65, that was the time for us to load up. If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. Money side, can y'all stand up? See, this is the side that want the money. Y'all over there being cute and shit. Money side getting to it. So I'm gonna rock with y'all until y'all get your energy up, right? Thank you. Yo, Ian, I wanna make my own crystal ball, quit gatekeeping. These are the sites: Guru Focus, Macro Trends, Wallmind.com. So when I'm looking at profit margin, and you see me and Troy and Rashad going back on the show about profit margin, debt to income ratio, I'm looking at Wallmind.com. Coifin is amazing. The bottom one is YCharts, not charts.com, but Wallmind is the one that I use every single day. And Macro Trend will allow you to see, since the beginning of a company, how well they are doing financially if you should invest in them, okay? Thank you, I appreciate you. Perspective on mindset. You will only do what your mind believes you're capable of. Say it with me. I deserve to be happy.
I deserve to be happy.
And then they'll turn around and tell us, you don't know what to invest in. How the fuck we don't know what to invest in? We will make everything hot. Right? So what I want us to do as a community is I want all of us to get together, pile our money, tools, and resources together so we can dominate the market. And if I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? We've done that. Red Panda Rebellion, if I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? So I want you to know that if you want to make $1 million a year, you deserve more than that. 10 million a year, you deserve more. Anybody on the side think you deserve more than 10 million a year? Now what we gonna do, they eating y'all ass up. Does this side, you believe you deserve 10 million or more a year? And your inability to hold for the long term is the biggest thing that's keeping you from wealth. I know it feels scary. Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Elon. Once in a while, right? Company gonna recover. But every great company on earth, if you look at the Bus family, if you look at Steve Jobs when he built Apple, we're the only community that ever gets told, don't hold on to your investment, that's risky. And I've said it before, some of you will hold on to a bad relationship longer than you will a good investment. Tonight may be the night that you may have to let them go. These are just jokes. Hold on, I know, I heard you. Hold on. Right? But I want all of you to feel that you are truly deserving of wealth, because as a culture, we were the first product that was traded in this country. So when they brought us over on the ships and all the insurance companies and banking companies got built, they then later weaponized real estate and investing against us. And now I truly believe it's time to take that back and get our market share back through the market. Now that I'm off my Umar. Shout Umar. Profit margin. Here's how you evaluate a company. Profit margin. Number one. Second, and probably shouldn't be second, the character of the founder. Whatever the founder believes and however the founder acts is how the company is going to operate. Bernard Madoff was supposed to be a great investor. Character was off. Company crumbled. Right? The companies that are doing incredibly well, like NVIDIA, shout to Jensen. Great character, great moral compass, therefore the company's done incredibly well. Right? Number three, are they number one in their space? I want y'all to stop asking me about the fifth best smartphone. I know there's one in a remote island or country that you may not love, but it's not going to outperform Apple for the time being. Let it go. Are they leading in the next sector that will dominate? Some of you keep asking me, yo, who's going to dominate quantum computing? NVIDIA. Google has been resting on their laurels, so they're going to fall apart and not win this race. NVIDIA more than likely is going to win. And here's your wealth blueprint. Please screenshot this. We just had an icon leave the stage, right? And he walked you through his real estate portfolio. There's not one person I know that's personally wealthy that does not follow this blueprint. Stay coming. Thank you. So you need stocks, business, real estate, life insurance. For those of you who are working a career, there's nothing wrong with working. Stop letting people on Instagram who are scamming tell you that working a 9 to 5 is wrong. Use that capital and relationship to then buy businesses and assets to grow your wealth. Ideally, you want 24 revenue streams. Now, you don't need 24 different businesses. You need one business that can generate, and that can be customers, different sectors, but you need 24. Capital preservation is key, and risk mitigation is incredibly important. Where do I exit? Screenshot this. Yo, I got in the video. Boss, let me know. That's the main question I get. Hold for 10 years, 30 years, or 1,000% return. Say it, 10 years, 30 years, 1,000% return. Y'all done got turned up. 10 years, 30 years, 1,000% return. Business owners, I love Atlanta. The Bentley and Rolls Royce is a fire. Much better if you put 10K into the market every month. If you are a business owner, clients and customers and employees don't always love you. You have to make your money work for you, so even if the business is not going well, who's the better CEO, you or Jensen from NVIDIA? Oh, not mad at that. I love it. But I want you to put your money into places that are going to grow while you're working on your business, okay? Parents, for those of you who are balling, this is the blueprint if you want your child to have freedom. Some of you say you can't afford it, and if you can't do 10, do 2 or 1,000. But I'm seeing a lot of y'all looking real good, fellas. I'm seeing a lot of drip. But would you rather, and I ain't mad at it, because you gotta go do what you gotta do in the lobby. Hey baby, yeah, I rock the yeah, I've been investing too, I see. But you want financial freedom for your kid. So you don't have to suffer. And a lot of us will say, well, I wish we had this information as kids, now we have it. What will you do with it? That's what's most important, okay? And big amount of shares plus holding plus 30 years is going to give you the blueprint to freedom. Let me screen. Say it nicely. I love y'all, but come on. Screenshot. Oh, I'm in the way? Talk to me nice at least, baby. Damn. Okay. Y'all good? Okay, great. Number of shares, screenshot, because I want to move through. Y'all good, see or no?
Move the word.
Thank you. Screenshot, VUG, VTI, Apple, Microsoft. If I made you money, can I get a hell yeah? Yeah. So if you're new, don't worry, hold for a 1 year period, you'll be good. Next. Record, my traders stand up. Y'all, yeah, see, you know what I'm getting to. You keep asking me for what the blueprint is to being able to accelerate your trading, right? Say it with me, personal accountability. You won't get great until you're sharing your trades, A, with yourself and your family.